are in the car. We have just picked up Leilani and Jack from school. We've got Appa with us. Jack, Leilani, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ruth Ann's driving and we are headed to Great Wolf Lodge. You're the excitedest? Okay.
I'm the excitedest.
You're the excitedest too?
Yeah. Really quick.
It's our first time to Great Wolf Lodge and you're coming along. Let's go. Looks like we're here.
Valet.
So fun.
Should we do self-parking or do we need to check it?
Are you guys so excited to be here?
Yes.
All right.
Do you want to put it on, Jess?
So cute. Is that how you wear them? You got a beard? Okay, I just got a text. I'm Brinley, your personal assistant at Great Wolf Lodge, Southern California. That's amazing.
Wait, what?
Just got into the room. This is the family suite. 2 queen beds, I believe, and a pull-out sofa. And Jack. And Asa is here. And Star. And Dana. Woohoo! The whole crew. Up. Jack goes over there because he doesn't want to get poured on. And people start gathering. Do you love that song? Jack's going up. Jack took a tubby. I did not even change. Dinner is going to be a 25-minute wait, so we're at the bubble party. Bubble party! Oh, this is such a good song, Jack. With our paw passes, we got these wands, and we have to go to this, through this session, basically. Okay, Jack, you're going to do your one now, okay? Okay, flick it. Good job. Dazzle. Start.
Within the Dazzle Room's enchanted crystals lives the...
You flick it. Oh, good job.
And wild.
Dinner time. Coloring. Gluten-free calamari. Gluten-free Cobb salad, wedge salad. Oops. Leilani, are you having milk? Jack, what are you drinking? Lucky. Mommy got a steak. I got a steak. Ruth Ann got chicken. We got sides here. Risotto, Brussels sprouts, and spinach. Leilani has a cheeseburger. Jack has chicken tenders. Did I already say that? Maybe. Yeah. Getting bracelets. Jack picked out the tie-dye one and he's getting his name on it. Oh, perfect. Thank you. And then can we get Zoe on this one? Z-O-E-Y. That's so cool, buddy. And you have a wand? Yep, he chose this. Even though I was trying to get him to choose this. But the tie-dye is really cool, yo. You get to keep it? I was making the kits for tomorrow. How fun. Good morning. I'm sorry it's so loud, the air conditioner. I don't know how to turn it off. But I woke up at like 7:45, which is amazing. Well, maybe it was like 7:30. And Jack and Mommy were still asleep. They went down to get me Dunkin' Donuts and I am working. They are probably gonna go to the water park in a little bit, and then I have to host a little craft session, which I'm so excited about. You saw those kits, and I just love being here. This morning, Jack said, I wish we didn't have to go home. And I was like, yeah, I know, but we can always come back. This place is awesome. Since I'm still trying to do gluten-free, Mommy got me a croissant sandwich with bacon, cheese, and egg. And I only had the middle, and I'm having hash browns too, and ketchup. Jack's favorite thing here, besides the whole water park, is plastic cups that he likes to scoop water with. Oh, you don't want it? Okay. Okay. Setting up for the crafts right now. They're all having lunch over here, and I am going to have everybody's photo, and I'll show you the kit too. Everybody gets one of these kits, and they're going to get to make a little traveler's notebook. This is the SQ10 that I'm using. We have plenty of film thanks to Instax, and they've got their photos taken with Wiley. I'm just making sure that everybody has at least 2 or 3 prints to go into their book. They also get these stickers, they have washi tapes to share, Tombow tape runner, and these fun little trading cards to figure out if they want to glue them in. We also have the mega date stamp set to today, along with a stamped pad, ink pad, and all these goodies to share. Wow, bud, are you ready? I took a little shower with Jack. Hey, don't put your hand in there, please. And we need to, wow, we get to select the candy. Will you select your candy?
Which ones do you want, Libby?